got from 4 cups of granules. Okay. Hello, my name is Sylvia Chimdima and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I actually make my peanut burger business. Okay, so in here I have some granules which I'll be using in this video, and also I have my dry ingredients and also my wet ingredients as well. Okay, I already made a video on how to make the perfect peanut burger. Okay, it is right there on the screen. Just click on it and go and watch that video. So right now I'll start by coating the granules. Okay, we are done coating the peanuts and it's now time to fry. So guys, I'm done frying and this is what we have. Can you see it? This is what we got from 4 cups of granules. Okay, so guys, after packaging the peanuts, this is how it looks like. I have about more than 100 pieces of sized peanuts here, and you can actually sell them this way if you want to. So let's do our costing and know how much we are to sell those peanuts if we are to sell them. Okay, so guys, for the costing, a cup of flour in my area is 250 and I used 4 cups, making it 1000 naira. Then 4 cups of granules is 1600 naira. 4 eggs is 1000 naira, 250 for each. 1 cup of sugar in my area is 400 naira. Salt is 50 naira. Then for the flavors is 50 naira also. Oil is 1000 naira. Packaging is 500 naira. Source of heat and maintenance is 1,500 naira. Then lastly, labor 1,000 naira. Total cost of everything will be 8,100 naira. The number of tied peanuts is 113 pieces. 8,100 naira divided by 113, it will give you 72, which can be approximately 100. Then 100 times 113, which is the total number of tied peanuts, it will give you 11,300 naira. Then go ahead and minus 8,100 naira from 11,300. It will give you 3,200 naira. That is to say that your gain is 3,200 naira, which is not actually bad. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and be part of the family. Bye for now, and I will see you on my next video.